Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Pixel 7a, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items. So firstly, remember one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB charging port. I suggest to use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. Oh, someone tries to log in. Okay, I can't help you, man. So great. So firstly, we need to insert the one part of the brush. As you can see, this is something that prevents the charging cable from going all the way into the connector. And now we just need to insert the one part of the brush into the connector and just pry the dirt out. Great. So toothbrush is the best tool to clean the connector because toothbrush is just a toothbrush. You can damage your USB port using the toothbrush, and you can't use the water resistance using the toothbrush. So it's safe and great. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye. See you.